Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 77. ODA. ODA. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is O and the second syllable is Da. Pronounce it with me. ODA. The word ODA is a verb which means to come. Again, ODA means to come. How do we write ODA in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable O, we need to draw first a no sound or a placeholder iyang, followed by the O character. And then for the second syllable Da, we need to draw first a dikit character followed by an A character. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables to form the Hangul of the word ODA. Now let's try to look at this example. It says, 언제와? 언제와? In English, this is translated as, when are you coming? The example could be subdivided into two. The first word is 언제, which means when, and wa is the present tense form of come. So when we say 언제와, it's the same as asking, when are you going to come, or when are you coming? And again, wa is the present tense form of ODA, which means to come. So how is ODA transformed to wa? ODA is the root verb, and the first step is to actually remove da, so that we're left with O. And if you would notice on our previous lessons, we have discussed rules to be followed in order to decide about the suffix that will be added to the remaining root verb. If you'll remember, if the ending sound of the remaining verb is a or o, we will add ayo. But if the ending sound is not a or o, we will use oyo. And since for the case of ODA, we're only left with o. And o falls under the sound a or o. So, the suffix that we'll have to add is ayo. O plus ayo. And that results to wayo. And as also mentioned in the previous discussions, yo is just added to add to the politeness of a word. So, wa is also just the same as wayo. And with that, you've just learned ODA. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 67 to 76. But don't forget our word for today, ODA, which means to come. The first word for our review is 언제, and this is used to ask when. Next word is 누나. This is a term for sister, and this is used by a younger brother. The next word for our review is 언니. This is another term for sister, but this time this is used by a younger sister. Next word is 형. This is a term for brother, and this is used by a younger brother. Next word is oppa. This is another term for brother, but this time this is used by a younger sister. Next word is 어머니. This is the Korean term for mother. Next word is 아버지, and this is the Korean term for father. Next word is 나중에. This is an adverb of time which means later. Next word is 걷다. This is a verb which means to walk. And the last word for our review is Araso. This is an informal way of saying, alright, I understand. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.